Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna move this beautiful Alocasia into a semi-hydro setup using this Lechuza pot that I found discounted the other day at the shop. This plant has a little bit of a background story and I will explain more after the intro. I bought this plant in August, which usually means 45 degrees here in Sicily, and apart from the extreme temperature, it was suffering, it had suffered infestation of spider mites and thrips. To be honest, when they sold me this plant, it was 50% off. The infestation was gone, but I could clearly see the damage in many leaves. But I wanted to give it a try anyway, and the plant responded quite well. He had lost 2 leaves and he had pushed like 2 new leaves, and he's pushing a new leaf right now. So the plan today is to remove the plant from its original soil, which I never changed, see if we can find some corms as a plan B in case things go wrong, and move it in this semi-hydro setup with this Lechuza pot. Now, let's be clear, the Lechuza pot is not only for semi-hydro. You can use any kind of soil mix, but because we are talking about an Alocasia, I think it's the best choice for a semi-hydro setup, and this pot is perfect for this kind of environment. So the first step is to remove the plant from the soil, look for some corms that we could use, and check the state of the roots. So the roots are fine. The roots are actually really nice. Let me get the plant. So we have a nice compacted roots. So this is the situation right now. Let me show you. So we have 2 well-established plants, and I think, yes, we broke some roots, but not too many, to be honest. I removed also dead parts from the old leaves. So my idea is now to clean the roots from the remaining soil. I prepared a bucket full of water, and yes, I'm gonna do it now. So the roots are clean, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna look carefully to see if I find some corms. So I haven't found any corm, so it's fine. Let's carry on with the plant. So the plants are now out of the soil. We have cleaned the roots. We haven't found any corms. That's life. I don't know how to take it as a good thing or as a bad thing, but it's now time to finalize the Lechuza setup and move the plant in its new environment. So guys, I finished the setup. Now it's morning. It's not because I stayed up all night. It's because yesterday while I was recording, there was a blackout in my area and the power came back like really late. So I decided to do the last part of the video today in the morning. I'm gonna show you the result in a while, but what I've noticed is that this pot is huge. I mean, I use 2 packages of leca and 1 of pomace just to hold the plant still, and it's still not super stable, but I don't have any more anything else to add. I will need to buy it. I underestimated the size of the pot, and the same things goes for water. Like, I had to use 15 liters of distilled water to just make the indicator goes to max, or which is the level in which it has to stay at the beginning. It has to stay between max and min and never go below minimum. So that's the only downside. I also cleaned the plant a little bit. There were still some thrips, not too many, but they're doing damage. I can see in the leaf. So I'm gonna show you the result, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment if you have a similar setup, and thank you for watching. Bye.